A seed's journey from flower to fruit. Plants face a challenge. They need to reproduce, but they can't simply walk around and find a mate. This is where fruits come in. Fruits are ingenious vessels. They protect and carry the precious seeds, ensuring the plant's survival. The journey begins with a flower. Once pollinated, the flower transforms. Its ovary swells, eventually becoming the fruit we eat. This transformation is vital. It's not just about creating something delicious. It's about ensuring that the seeds within are ready for their own journey. The fruit plays a crucial role in this process, acting as both a protector and a dispersal mechanism. The unripe truth. Protection and patience. Unripe fruits are often hard, sour, and even bitter. This is no accident. These unappetizing characteristics serve a purpose to deter animals from eating the fruit before the seeds are ready. The thick skin, tough pulp, and bitter chemicals act as deterrents. They signal to potential consumers, "Not yet, I'm not ready." This protection is essential in the early stages of a fruit's development. The seeds inside are still immature and vulnerable. They need time to ripen and become viable. Only then can they germinate and grow into new plants. The ripening revolution. A transformation unfolds. Ripening is a remarkable transformation. The fruit softens, becoming juicy and sweet. Its color changes, often becoming more vibrant. This shift is not just about taste and texture, it's a signal. The fruit is now ready to be eaten. This transformation is driven by a complex interplay of hormones and enzymes. These chemicals break down starches into sugars, soften the fruit's cell walls, and produce volatile compounds that give ripe fruits their distinctive aromas. The change in color is also significant. It attracts animals, signaling that the fruit is ready to be eaten and its seeds dispersed. Section 4, to ripen or not to ripen, a tale of two fruit types. Not all fruits ripen the same way. Some, like bananas, avocados, and tomatoes, continue to ripen after being picked. This is because they are climacteric fruits. They produce a surge of ethylene gas, a plant hormone that triggers ripening. Other fruits, like oranges, strawberries, and grapes, are non-climacteric. They ripen only on the plant. Once picked, their ripening process slows down significantly. This difference is crucial for understanding how to store and enjoy different types of fruit. Section 5. Ethylene, the ripening messenger. Ethylene gas is a fascinating plant hormone. It plays a key role in many aspects of plant growth and development, including fruit ripening. When a fruit is ready to ripen, it releases ethylene. This gas then binds to receptors in neighboring cells, triggering a cascade of reactions that lead to the ripening process. The discovery of ethylene's role in ripening has had a significant impact on the food industry. Farmers and distributors use controlled atmospheres with low levels of ethylene to slow down the ripening process. This extends the shelf life of fruits and reduces spoilage. Section 6. The why of ripening, a world of theories. Why do fruits ripen in such diverse ways? There are many theories. One theory suggests that different ripening methods are linked to seed dispersal strategies. Fruits that ripen quickly and become very attractive to animals may be dispersed over a wider area. Fruits that ripen slowly or only on the plant may rely on other dispersal methods such as wind or water. Another theory suggests that ripening patterns may be related to the types of animals that eat the fruit. For example, fruits that are eaten by birds may be brightly colored, while fruits that are eaten by bats may have a strong aroma. Understanding the science of fruit ripening is not just about satisfying our taste buds. It's about appreciating the intricate processes that allow plants to reproduce and thrive. It's about understanding the delicate balance of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things.